Good morning everybody, it's Stuart from Caterpillar Nursery. I'm going to be doing a home video today and we're going to do some cooking. So if you want to get involved, so first thing, to wash our hands. We're obviously cooking from my house today, in my kitchen at home. Okay guys, so hands washed. Next job, turn the oven on. Okay, so we're going to put our oven on 160 degrees, okay? So today's recipe, we're going to be making easy cheesy peasy biscuits, okay? So, scales, all ready. Get yourself a nice bowl. Okay, so first ingredient, margarine. You need 120 grams. Okay, so scales are going on. Nice big dollop. Okay, 68. Oh, 150, too much. Let's take some out. 139. 120. There we go. Okay, so margarine's in. Quick hand wash. So margarine's in. Next thing we are going to want in there is flour. So I tend to use plain flour so they don't grow too big. Okay, so we're going to want the same amounts again, so 120 grams of plain flour. Reset scales. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we've got 120 grams of flour. Okay, so next we need to now also add 120 grams of grated cheddar cheese. Okay, so reset scales. As you can see, grated some cheddar cheese earlier. 120 grams. There we go. So in there now we have the margarine, the flour and the cheese, 120 grams of each. Okay, so next is where we get messy. Okay, so we can get our hands in there, we're going to rub it all together, we want to make a nice dough. Okay, so let's get in there nice and sticky. I did try this recipe out on my boys last week and they absolutely loved them. So it's a perfect snack for you to have sometimes before your dinner or lunch if you're getting a bit peckish and you fancy something to eat. These are absolutely ideal. Hopefully we might even be able to get these on the new menu when we go back. Get some new things on the go. Always up for new snacks. Nice alternative. It's a nice alternative to things like the biscuits and things with a little bit of extra sugar and stuff in. You can obviously put these, you can limit it to what you want. You can add some extra flavours in there if you want to. I put some black pepper in there last week. You can put some extra little bits if you want to, whatever you fancy. Give it a go. So, it's a little bit sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour just to dry it up a little bit. So if you find your mix isn't forming very well and it's a little bit sticky, just pop yourself a little bit more flour in there. Sometimes it depends on what margarines and butters you're using. Some are creamier than others. Okay, so it's looking good. I'll have a tiny bit more flour in there. Okay. I think then we'll be about ready. So, keep it mixing round your bowl until your dough's formed. Okay, so bowl's gone. We should be left with a nice little dough. Should be nice and spongy, but not too sticky. Okay, so roll it around. Okay, right. Leave them there for a minute. Just a quick hand wash. Don't worry guys, I'm okay. The phone fell down. Right. Okay, so moving on. A little reposition there. There we go. Okay, so back on. Right, so we've got our dough. So next we're going to want to grease a tin ready to go in the oven. Okay, I'm going to use a bit of fry light just to pop on there to stop them sticking. You can use greaseproof paper. You can use a little bit of oil if you need to. So, flour your board or your surface. Okay, get yourself a rolling pin and roll it out to about, I'd probably say ½ centimetre in thickness. Okay. Now you need a shape to be able to cut them with. You can use circles, you can make them into gingerbread men kind of shape, or women. You can use any kind of shapes you've got, anything, the stars, diamonds. I'll see what I've got in the cupboard. Okay, so we do have a circle, okay? So roughly, as you can see, your biscuits about this big. So make all them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 so far. Okay, what I'm going to do with mine to make them slightly different is I'm going to get a fork. I'm going to give them a little prick pattern on top. This will let a little bit of air into the biscuit, and they also look nice when they come out. Okay, so first batch are done. As you can see, there they are. Okay, well, so they're going to go into the preheated oven. And I'm going to stick a timer on them for 10 minutes. Okay, so they can take between 10 and 15. I'm going to put 10 on there and see how they go. Okay, so I've got a little bit more mix left. So while they're in, we're going to make up a little bit more. Hope you're all keeping well anyway. Is everyone okay? Yeah, you all coping all right? Good, good. Plenty of exercise. Plenty of learning. Right. Second day. again, use a bit of fry light. Stops it sticking. Okay, let's make some more. 1, 2, 3. I know my boys are soon going to be in here smelling these. I'm sure we're not going to be too far off snack time probably, so what's the bets? The little ones in it first. Sniffs out any kind of cooking. Okay, and the last one, if you can't make one out of the last one so you got a full shape, this is what I call the tester one. Make it into a nice little ball and then do a nice little circle pattern. Okay, just pop on the tray with the rest. And that will be the one we can try. Okay, give them all a little prick again with the fork. There we go. Pop them in the oven. As I say, they'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. You want them nice and golden, a little bit crisp on top. You can usually tell because the cheese will start to go nice and orange and the biscuit will be a bit golden. But don't obviously burn them because they will be really crispy. So you're looking for that in between stage. So to recap on the recipe, okay, we want 120 grams of margarine, 120 grams of flour, plain flour, and 120 grams of cheddar cheese. Obviously you start with your margarine in the bowl, add your flour, add your cheese, mix it all together, get yourself a nice comfortable firm dough that you can roll around. Add a bit of additional flour if you need to, if it's a little bit sticky. Roll them out into about 1/2 centimetre sizes, get your moulds, cut your moulds out, bake on 160 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Obviously these are going to take a little while to cook now, so what I will do is I will stop the video and I will send you a picture of what they look like in the end. Thanks for joining me. There'll be some more recipes coming soon. Take care everybody, bye.